Hello, my name is Lindsay Van Roy and I'm a grade 12 learner at Fairmount Secondary School. I joined Go for Gold in 2019 because I was interested in a career in architecture. I would like to thank Mr. Wolfgang Hunt from the Rotary Nurnberg-Reichswald for sponsoring me this year to partake in Go for Gold's Education to Employment program. Because of your funding, I am able to have an upper hand on my fellow grade 12 learners as I am being supported to better my maths and science results. Because of Go for Gold's maths and science classes, which is mostly revision, I am able to familiarize myself with maths and science questions in question papers, and now I can answer them with a better understanding of what is being asked of me, and I can answer them without fear. Because of the science, because of the leadership development classes, I am able to realize that I am more of a leader than a follower. I am also able to recognize and deal with my emotions rather than them dealing with having control over me. I would like to thank you in conclusion for sponsoring me this year, and I would like to thank Mr. Wolfgang Hunt and the Rotary Nuremberg Reichswald, as well as Go for Gold, for helping me change my life here in South Africa. I will make you proud.